be doing a little bit of tomfoolery here. On these two people. Let me show you how this is done. So first I have this code, and then I come over here and I put it in. There we go. Now anytime anyone comes near me, this happens. Let's oh, it's showing the chat in the window down there? That's pretty cool. I didn't know that was even happening. So my favorite game to do this on is Overcast because I think when I join, it doesn't show the badge like chat has joined. So unless someone looks at the leaderboard, they don't know I'm there. The only unfortunate part is my name starts with a C, so I'm pretty close to the top generally. We should have a little bit of time before... Nope, never mind. Someone immediately knew. Dang it, they know now. Okay, well I'm gonna get them before this becomes an epidemic. Here we go. We're gonna spook some people. We're gonna spook Moisty. Alright, Slooshy, quit blowing my cover, man. Rice. I guess it bugged out. Hold on, this is one of the more, level 3! This is one of the more fun ones. I'm trying to figure out if the chat... I need to switch it back to the other note. Give me one moment. I like the chat display down there, but it's just not... It's not what I want. Okay, there we go. Stream donor list. Yeah, okay. There it is. This is one of the more fun ones here. Let me go ahead and copy it. First of all, let's inflict maximum pain upon Rice. Sorry, Rice. Where is Rice? Is that Rice? There you are. Alright, Rice. Say goodbye. Did I type this in wrong? Oh. F is lowercase. Okay. Alright, say goodbye, Rice. There it goes. If you're just joining the stream, special thanks to Will S for the 25 donation. Appreciate that. Said Alps prosthetic, please. Love the games. User ID is there. Okay, thank you so much, Will. I appreciate that. Should have your items in the next patch. Well, I guess now that Rice has been eternally tortured, we're gonna start this. The infection begins. Here it is. Alright, I need to get away from the crowd. Infection has begun. Oh god, there goes perfect music. This person's trying to catch me. Hammond's trying to teleport to me. Some people pulling some sleazy tactics. Try to get to me while I'm invisible. Man, the medics are not doing that good. There's one medic that's trying. Oh no, I've been had. I got infected. Isn't this The Witcher music? There we go, the infection has ended. Seems like everyone hangs out in this village in particular in Overcast. I'm not sure if it's because it's new or if it's just like a really cool spot. I think it's sort of close to the middle of the map, so that kind of makes it like have a leg up. Hey man, do you have anything to say on stream? Getting a special word from Hamid. That's the one thing that you could not say, Hamid. I do enjoy the atmosphere of this game. I'll be right back, hold on. Hello everyone. Thank you for waiting, and also thank you for the donations. I'll read those in a minute. Check out how hard it's raining outside though. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. All hail Chad, god of the wind, molder of the earth. Interesting. Someone's playing. What is the sound? It's Rice just like screaming. Thank you, Reed, for your contributions to the stream. Alright, everyone, in Overcast, I must go. My people need me. Okay, so what we're gonna do is... I don't even have ATF-8 open. Let's get ATF-8 open. There it is. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a seat, everybody. Come on. Welcome. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright. Let me go ahead and get some music going. Oops, sorry. Forgot that we were still on the pause screen. Okay. So I've been working on some of the interactives here. Hold on, let me actually read the donation messages first before I move on. So we got Slooshy, who donated 15, says, "Hey Chad, I've been enjoying your streams lately. Could I get the superheated crossbow?" Of course you can. My user ID is this. Also, sorry for blowing your cover during the fart troll. It's not a problem. But thank you for donating, Slooshy. I appreciate that. Holy moly, the camera is insane. I got this crazy orange drink from, I guess it's Japan. I don't know, all the instructions or whatever is in Japanese. Okay, so Angelic Terror donated 15, says, there's the user ID. Hi Chad, I'm not feeling too well right now, and I'm studying for my history final. Just stopping by to donate and purchase the Patchwork Hotshot. I got you covered. Thank you for the donation, and good luck on your final. Hope that doesn't stress you out too much. Will S donated 40 and says, looking cute today. Appreciate it. Lurk, and there's the user ID. Okay, got you covered, Will. Thank you so much for coming back and donating. Sean Does Stuff E donated 20. Says, fantastic stream, my guy. Can I get the Alps and Patchwork? Hotshot, user ID is this. Also, check your DMs from a guy named... I'm gonna skip that name for now, for privacy. I messaged you about a stream purchase from a bit ago. Okay, thanks. Oh, Sean donated 40. Wow, okay. I'll try to check my messages after the stream, but thanks for donating, Sean. I appreciate that. Darkymate donated 25. It says, hello, Chad. I want the B&L I will send the next $10 after this. My user ID is this. Thanks. There's the next $10. So thank you so much for the 35, mate. I appreciate that. How long did you learn to code? Also my user ID for the BNL from the last message. Got it. I'll answer that in 1 second. And last we have Your Salvation donated 25. It says, hello, Chaticus Bradicus. Creative, thank you. I like the Alps prosthetic set for user ID is there, and this is my first super chat. Happy developing. Wow. Okay. Well, thanks for joining the donation club, Salvation. Cheers. And last we have Francis the Warrior donated 15. Says user ID Super 8 crossbow. Chad, look out! There's an ogre behind you. Ogres don't exist. I'm not fooled by that. Now, if you had said the Rad 9, it would have spooked me out. So mate. Now I'm gonna get like someone donating saying like, watch out, there's a Rad 9 behind you. Mate said, how long did you learn to code? So I started learning in mid 2013. And that's how long it's taken me to get to this point. But around the end of 2013, I would say I was able to make some decent games. I mean, I made Blackout in 2013, and that was only like 2 or 3 months after starting to learn, maybe even sooner than that. It's really like you learn it, like you follow a few tutorials on YouTube, and once you know the basic building blocks, you can sort of do anything. That doesn't take but like maybe a day or two, and then after that everything you do is just more about like learning. So I could make some pretty cool stuff when I first started learning, but nowadays everything I make is just way more efficient because of all the tricks I've learned. So like here, let me show you something that's interesting about this. Here's the studio intro for anyone who hasn't seen the ATF8 studio intro. And there it is. That's the placeholder title screen. So you may notice my character is currently shirtless. Still working on something there, so don't pay too much attention to that. This is the new interactive system I've been working on. It's got a similar mouse icon to the last game. It's got the same thing going on where if there's something you can click on, it turns red. There's some cool developer stuff in the background that makes it easier for the developers to make these, but it's not really stuff that matters to y'all. So here's one thing I'll say. The new interactives are all client-sided. So essentially what that means is in the last game, if you open a door, the door is animated on the server. So if you're having a bad connection with the server and you're only getting like 10 pings a second from the server, the door is going to go like ooh, 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 ooh. But in this game, it sends out a message saying like the door has opened to all players. So you get the message, and however fast your ping is with the server, it doesn't matter because the door opens based on your frame rate. So the door will be moving every single frame. So my computer's around 60 frames a second, so I get one increment of the door every frame, so it looks incredibly smooth. So essentially you're rendering the door changes on your computer. And there's something I need to fix about it. I'll show you in a second. A byproduct of that weird quirk. Got some drawers working too. Got some new particles going on with the water related stuff, and the water actually rotates so it looks like it's coming out a little little more realistic, I guess. Same sound effects, because I felt like the ones from last time were really good. There's another door. So this one is interesting because you click it. It's got the particle effects. Can y'all hear me well, by the way? Or is the music and this stuff too loud? God, my nose itches. Okay, so everyone's saying they can hear me good. So, yeah, there's the shower. It's got some spinning water coming out of it, essentially just to make it look a little more realistic. You can go in there, wash yourself off after a long day in the wasteland. And then to turn off the shower, here's something cool. You can click through the water. So the way that works is there's certain parts in the new system that are considered null. So when you shoot a ray from your camera to the mouse, if it goes into a null part, it ignores it. So the water is still there, but your mouse goes through it. And even now, when the water is visible, it ignores the water, so you can click through it. Same thing with the sink. I can click this knob through the water. It's not a huge thing. It's kind of like one of those things that if you're playing the game and you notice like you can't click something even though you should be able to, and there's an invisible part there blocking it, it's just sort of annoying. So that's something I'm fixing with this game. So here's the tub. This one's probably the most complicated so far. You turn it on and it fills up. There it goes, filling up. You can turn it off. And then you can drain it. That's how it goes. That's the 3 states of the bathtub. Did I put a piece of glass on top of the shower? I'm a little confused how I'm able to stand here. No, I guess... Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess it was just like... my stance was too wide. So that's basically... There's a lot of back-end stuff going on, so why don't we go ahead and get into some of that. For everyone who donated, I'll read your messages in a few minutes. I just want to get some stuff done. So for now, why don't we go ahead and make a toilet. We need a toilet, right? Let's make one that's pretty well adjusted to a human. Not sure how good this looks. I guess this is okay. I mean, that's about how high it would be anyway, yeah? Let's add a little bit of detail here. I'm gonna bring all this up, and then I'm gonna add a little funky piece here to make it look like it's actually the bowl shape. And then I gotta put the this thing on the back. I feel like this is a little large. Let's make this a little smaller. For everyone who's just tuning in, welcome to the toilet stream. Here we make toilets. That looks a little better in my opinion. Still looks a little off. What am I missing? Okay, I think, Yeah, I think that looks a little better. Still looks off. Any mods in the chat who need mod abilities, I guess? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so length, I'm gonna guess your, I'm just gonna trust that you have the same name. So you're a mod now. If you're a mod or a manager or developer in FlashStorm, you can just like tag me in the chat and I'll go ahead and give you mod abilities, I guess. Okay, let's check some donation messages. So we have 35 from Ace. Hello, I would like the BNL. My user is this. Got you covered, Ace. Thank you so much for donating. I appreciate it. Swagmaster 3000 donated 35 and said, "Hey Chad, can I get the BNL user ID is this? Side note, I have an important test coming up soon. Wish me luck." Good luck, Swagmaster. Wish you the best of luck on your test. Not sure what kind of test it is. But I hope you do well on it. Unless it's like a medical test for something bad, in which case I hope you fail. Next we have Dex Vader and Kitten Cuteness 6 is just one name. Interesting. Donated 35. It says, "Hello Chad, I like the BNL. My user ID is this." Okay, got you covered, Vader. Thank you so much for donating. I appreciate that. The Nomad donated $100. Holy moly. Whoa, okay. Hey Chad, first time doing this, but a long time fan of the ATF series, so I was wondering if I could get the Lurk, Titanium Prosthetics, and if possible, Patchwork Coil Gun, and Fusel, and Warden. Keep up the good work, and I can't wait to see ATF 8. Wow. Okay, thank you so much, Nomad. I appreciate that. That's an extremely generous donation. So, thanks again. I appreciate that. That really helps with development. Next up we have Shingaru donated 303 pesos. I'm guessing. Okay, so that's 15 USD. Gotcha. Well, thank you for the pesos, Shingaru. I appreciate that. Hello, Chad. My user ID is this. I want the titanium, please. Okay, got you covered. Thank you. And we have Blacketh and Sean donated $5 as well. Blacketh says, "Hey Chad, I was wondering if I could still get the BNL I donated for during the imp stream since it wasn't a dev stream. User ID is there. You should be able to. Maybe I just haven't updated the game yet. So my apologies about that. I'll check after the stream." And Shaw says, "Blink twice if you're still being held hostage by the mods." That was just a joke. I was kidding, the mods are my friends. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I need to Google what a toilet looks like. Okay, so... Oh, it's taller than I thought. Okay. So I guess it would be like up to here. Yeah, that looks a little better. Okay. And this piece here is on top completely. So I guess that's about right. And why don't we... Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have it be thinner back here. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks better. And then it looks like some people put the handle on the side and some people put it on the front, so we're just gonna keep it on the front. You know, I'm trying to think about this from a perspective of how people would make toilets in the future. And I get the impression that we're going to be using bidets in the future. Like, in the time span that after the Flash 8 would be taking place, so... Let's go ahead and switch over to bidets, I guess. For anyone who's just tuning in, welcome to the official toilet stream. Here we make toilets. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Cat Dude says, why aren't the toilets and other things got the rust texture? Well, this is mostly just testing stuff. I highly doubt that these actual props are going to be in the game. This is just getting props working in the first place. Yeah, I feel like in terms of the apocalypse, I feel like a toilet would either be all or nothing. Like, they would either have it be exactly the way it was before the war, or they would have it be just like a hole in the ground. So I guess, yeah, we'll try to switch over to a bidet. So it's gonna need the flush function. So let's make the bottom one flush. Let's make this one... No, let's make the top one flush, and then this one's gonna be... spray, I guess. So we'll make it blue. And then this one's gonna be... air. So I guess we'll make it white. A little bit of a paler white though. There we go. And then this one's gonna be flush, so I guess we'll just make it I don't know, what's a good color for a flush? Maybe just orange? How about orange? There we go. Okay, so this one's gonna be weird. Probably went a little overboard with the interactivity of a toilet. I don't know if anyone's gonna be using a toilet in their roleplay, but whatever. Get some water in there. Yep, that looks good. I'm using a neon part for the little holes here because it's pitch black and it doesn't reflect at all. So I feel like if you're gonna have a hole in anything that's an implied hole rather than an actual hole, you're gonna want to go for a neon black part. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now here's the problem. I need to move this back. There we go. There needs to be a gap here. Perfect. Because there needs to be room for the actual seat to go up. But then again, how do you press the buttons if the seat or the lid is up? I'm a little confused. How does a real bidet work? Okay, so it's off to the side. I see. Okay. Currently looking at pictures of bidets. So, I don't understand. Can someone tell me? I'm seeing pictures of like essentially what is a sink that you sit on. How does that work? You know what? Never mind. Forget I asked. I'm gonna look it up. Someone's asking, are you going to have the safes like you did for ATF 7? That's a good question. I can't answer anything on that yet. But that would definitely be fun. Wait, so Rice is here and doesn't have mod. Where is Rice? Sorry, I'm back. Alright, Rice is now a mod. Fantastic. Okay, so for a bidet, let's make this a little less wide, I guess. We don't need it to be this wide. Oof, this is gonna take a hot minute. Okay, there we go. Now the problem here is, I think the water is actually the same dimensions as the thing down here, so if it tries to go down, yeah, it's gonna appear in the base, so gonna need to figure a way around that. How wide is the toilet without the lid or the seat? Okay, you know what? Let's make the toilet just a little bit wider down here so we don't have that problem. Let's see if that, I guess that still looks okay. Just gonna need to make it wider back there too. Spending so much time trying to get a toilet looking good. Okay, so that's gonna be our lid. So I guess we'll just make the lid a basic door and see if that works. It should work. Okay, I'm just gonna make this a basic door. What would work best here? I guess this. I'm not sure if this would be the best system, but let's find out. Okay, so primary part, there we go. Gonna need to have one of these arrows. These arrows actually tell the toilet which way to go. So we're gonna make this be called sound part. You know what? No, we're gonna call this sound part. And then we're going to call this click. And then last thing I need to add is this little attribute called type, which is going to be door. Okay, let's see if this works. I guess I missed something. What's the problem here? I have sound part, direction, and click. Click detector is not... What? Oh, I didn't make it a interactive object. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's see. That opened the wrong way completely. Not entirely sure if there's even a way to get this going the right way. Okay, you know what? I really tried with these arrow things, but they're just not working. They're so unreliable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have to make sure that the hinges are always oriented the right way, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so front is gonna be pointed outwards, the way it's gonna turn, and then top is gonna be pointed up. So we're gonna go back and change the code for the... God, it's hot in here. One moment. Alright, sorry about that. It was getting really hot in this room. Humid. Okay, so that's oriented the right way, and then let's make sure that this one, nope, that's the wrong way. There we go, and then where's the top? That's the top. Okay, cool. So then this one is also backwards, but it's also oriented the wrong way. Cool. Alright, so now I gotta go in and actually change the code for the doors because unfortunately the arrow thing just wasn't working. So this would be in, yeah, server door. Damn, I worked so hard on this code too. Oh well. So all I have to do now is just pray that this is the correct orientation. I don't think it is. I think we're gonna have to do some testing here, but in order to make testing faster, I'm gonna turn off the loading screens. Oh, but it's gonna error because direction doesn't exist anymore. Yep. Direction doesn't exist anymore. And I gotta delete it for server drawer too. Direction. Whatever, I'll get back to that. Okay, I guess that caused an error of some sort. Sorry, getting some texts. Okay. So you know what? I'm gonna turn off these drawers for now so that they're not interactive. Hope that fixes everything. Okay, yeah, so that definitely was not the correct orientation. Okay, let's try -90 on the y-axis. Oh, there we go, perfect. Excellent. Excellent. Alright, all the doors open properly. It's just gonna have to be a developer thing that they watch out for then. Let's go ahead and get the drawers working then. So direction doesn't exist in the drawers anymore, so we don't have to delete it. But now we have to figure out where it goes. So I need to make sure that the primary part, is always oriented the proper way. So this one's good. I'm gonna guess this one's good too. Yep. And I think it would be this. So let's get rid of all this. Boy, I'm tired today. Nope, that didn't work. What am I missing here? Is there something? Oh, it's because they're not, I turned off the interactive function, so let's turn that back on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I feel more like playing a game today than I do like work, and it's just feeling really tired. Nope, that's the wrong way. Let's try Z. I'll check the donation messages in a minute. Sorry about that. Alright, so let's check out here. That is the complete opposite way of the way it needs to be going. So that's negative now, so of course it works. Let's check our donation messages. Carlson donated 15, says, "Hey Chad, I was wondering if I could get the Fuseland Warden." Of course you can. Thank you for donating. Got the user ID there. Someone, Angelic Terror said, "Did you see my Greg fan art?" I did not. I'm guessing it's on Twitter. Lucy Elfin Lead 666 said, or donated 15, says, "Hello Chad, I would like to ask for the Swamp Hunter crossbow. My user ID is this." Gotcha covered, Lucy. Thank you so much. I've actually watched that anime before. Long time ago. I remember enjoying it, I think. Mr. Dead Walker donated 10, says, "Hi Chad, I was wondering if it is possible to get the ATF6 Southside News Guy audio. I could never find it." Well, if you go through my inventory, I think it's all there. Yeah, in my inventory, I think it's there. That's where I think it is. I know there's some kind of radio stuff there. Pish says, "After you get the props working, what's the next thing you're going to be working on in ATF8? I'll tell you that when I know myself." Bro Tanks donated 15, says, "I love the storytelling in the world. Like in the ranger station, you can see on a board when the flash happened, and I like the Fuseland Warden user ID." Okay, thank you, Bro Tanks. I appreciate that. As for the storytelling, the people who have worked on Overcast it was mostly the mod team, so special thanks to them for doing a great job on that. But I do encourage the anyone who develops for After the Flash and like Loda to essentially try to tell stories through map building. I don't know if there's an example in Loda I can think of off the top of my head. So I guess I don't know. There's a bunch of different ones. You can think of this here, the pyramid. It tells a story through map building. It shows you what it's trying to say. That there used to be a great civilization here, but now it's gone. That's a rather simple one, but what was another one? So the Arcus as well, like it used to be some sort of advanced technology. And a weapon, because it's shaped like a weapon, but now it's long abandoned. Some more. Oh, there's DJ over there. Oh no. Oh no, what's DJ doing to Arcanix? So this is a more interesting one here. This little hut tells a story. So if you go down into the basement down here, there's actually some prison cells and some space for this person to experiment on someone. And this location essentially tells a story through all the savage tools that are here, the slabs of meat hanging, the human-shaped constraint with candles all around it. It sort of tells the story of a carnomancer or a necromancer who lived here or lives here. I feel like telling a story through the world is one of my favorite things about building. I think After the Flash tends to have more of the storytelling through map sets because it's I don't know, it just feels easier for me in that platform, post-apocalypse. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Icer donated $10, says... Not even gonna read that one. I don't know what that's about. But thank you for donating, Icer. I appreciate that. Sir Harriet donated $55, says, "Hey Chad, it's me again. I would like the Alps and titanium prosthetics and the Fusilian Warden. My user ID is this." Okay, got you covered, Sir Harriet. Thank you so much for donating. I really appreciate that. Neurosect donated 15, says, "Fusilian Warden, user ID. One question, what's your opinion on the CDF becoming the Ukrainian Defense Front?" It's a bold move, and it's a move that we needed, honestly. Phalandix donated $50. Holy moly. Thank you so much, Sir Harriet and Phalandix, for your donations. I really appreciate it. Phalandix says, user ID, BNL. You could actually get more than that if you wanted with that, Phalandix, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. YouTube Squads donated 15, says, "Hello, can I get the superheated crossbow? My Roblox ID is this." Of course you can, YouTube. Thank you. Beeblisms donated 60. Wow. Thank you so much, Beeblism. I really appreciate that. They said, "Arbalest and Dwarven Cog crossbow, please and thanks." And there's the user ID. Alright, we'll make sure that you have those in the next patch, Beeblism. But thanks for donating. I really appreciate that. As for the Arbalest is already in the game. The Dwarven Cog crossbow, still working on that, but that should be out relatively soon. Ariana Faith donated 27 Canadian, says, user ID, Patchwork Coil Gun with a sparkle. Thanks, Ariana. I appreciate that. Let's see what else we got. So Norby's donated 25 and said, "Alps, user ID is this." Okay. Got you covered, Norby's. Thank you so much for donating. I appreciate it. All the more generous donations, thank you. Extra thank you for that. Much appreciated. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this this fort here tells a story as well of a battle that was lost. So there's skeletons laying around with swords and shields and armor. Still just laying here getting rusted. I'm not sure what just happened there. I think I accidentally deleted the skeleton. Or I guess it was DJ? Interesting. Yeah. Lots of skeletons in here from a lot of battles that have been happening within the story. Okay. Let me go ahead and get back to work here. So we gotta get this toilet working somehow. This is definitely the most important thing that needs to be worked on in ATF-8, I assure you. Okay. So we got the lid working now, I guess. Let me go ahead and move the controls over here to the left. So that's where we're gonna have it. Yep, that looks good to me. Gonna go ahead and move these controls down here. That looks good to me. Sure. Okay. That's where we'll have everything. Okay. So now that looks pretty good, I think. Why don't I make this smaller? I feel like that's, yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So you know what? Let's make this shorter because shorter toilets are in fact healthier. Sitting on a toilet that's high up is extremely unhealthy, let it be known. So I'm not sure if I can put an interactive object inside of another interactive object. Not sure if the system allows that quite yet, but I guess I'll find out. So I need to name all these click, but they need to do something different each time. What do I do? Okay, here's what I'll do. So we're gonna have this. This is just gonna be called a toilet. So we're gonna group this with the water here. That's gonna be its own interactive object. We're gonna make this super model no longer an interactive object. Okay. So we got the water in here. Now, what's the orientation on this? Okay. I don't know. Donated 35 and says user ID BNL. Thank you. I don't know. Appreciate that. What's your opinion on Dukesy planning to do a 24-hour ATF stream? Oof. Good luck. Gonna need lots of Mountain Dew to survive that one. Looks like I don't know is also the new stream boss, so congratulations. Let's take him down. Okay, so that's an interactive object, and this is gonna be called toilet, I guess. So we need a new function, or we need new modules rather, for... I feel like a bathtub would be the most similar at the moment. Toilet flush. Yeah, let's call it toilet flush. And then for, yeah, we need the client as well. Toilet flush. Okay, now let's open up these modules and okay. So essentially what I can do gonna keep the drain sound, and literally everything else goes. So local flush sound. Now there is no splash part, there's just something called water. So we're gonna put all that in there. And let me go actually grab from, do I have... I'm pretty sure the toilet sound is actually in Loda, even though it's never used there. No, that's tool sounds. Interactive sounds is where we would find that. Toilet flush, there we go. Sounds like a toilet flush to me. But in that case, I don't actually think we need the drain sound anymore. And let's see, so we start out at off. Yeah, we start out at off. And then the debounce time needs to be... I don't know, let's just make it 5, I guess. So from off, you get on debounce, wait debounce, and then on. You know what? The function of a toilet's going to be the same exact thing every single time, so we're just going to say we're going to get rid of all this. And we're going to wait self.object get attribute debounce time, and it's going to be we're going to call it fill debounce, and then yeah, whatever, full, fine, whatever. Spending an hour making a toilet. Oh no, what is this? What? Client bathtub has a print statement in it? Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, client flush. This is a lot of stuff that we can get rid of. Yeah, okay. You know what, let's actually just comment it out for now, and then let's add what actually needs to be added here. So sound, okay, so self.object.water.flush sound play self.object.water. We're gonna make this be a render step thing. So every single frame you're gonna render the water going down a little bit. Interaction connection. Boo boo boo. Doo doo doo. Doo doo doo. Yeah, let's go ahead and disconnect it using this. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna say time since start equals tick minus start time. And then we're gonna say self.object.water.cframe. Ooh, you know what I need? I just realized, yep, okay. Gonna need C-frame value. Water start CF. And then the value is going to be self.object.water.cframe. And then we're going to do the same exact thing for goal, okay? Plus, no. Times cframe.new self.object.water.size.y. Let's make that a minus plus 0.1, I guess, whatever. Water goal. Okay. Now that we have that in order, we're gonna say local start CF equals self.object dot water start. I wish I could use attributes here, but Roblox doesn't allow a C-frame attribute yet. I guess it makes sense. Still kind of weird. Local goal CF equals self.object.water goal CF.value. Okay, so now we're gonna say start CF No, you know what? We're gonna wait 4. See how that goes. Start.cf. Lerp. Goal CF, and then we need an interval here. So I guess local interval equals how many seconds do we want this to flush in? Maybe 1 second. So I guess in that case that's completely fine. Time since start. But you know what, for the sake of simplicity, local interval equals math.minimum time since start 1. So it never, we clamp it at 1. If interval equals 1, then time since start is less than 1, then we're going to do this, else we're going to do something else. Okay. And now interval is going to be time since start minus 1 interval, and then we're going to switch these. But we're gonna make it, crap, how do I do this? Interval needs to be 1. Oh, but it's gonna be over 0.5. Okay, so over 0.5. So let's make it, yeah, half a second. And then if interval is 1, then we're just gonna disconnect ourselves. If self dots interaction connection disconnect. Okay, so what that should do is give us a result where the water goes down over the course of 1 second, and then it refills over the course of half a second. No, wait a second. That should be the other way around. Wait, over 2. There we go. Yep, so it should be longer on the second. So let's see how this goes. Okay, that didn't go at all, actually. What was the problem there? So this doesn't have... That's good. This doesn't have a primary part, I guess, so I guess I'll set that. What was the problem here? Roll off max distance. Oh, okay. That was a dumb mistake. Set off a max distance for the C-frame value, which doesn't... That's not a setting. Oh, Bugsy is here. Bazug. Sorry, I know you're a mod, I just still have no freaking clue how to say your name, so I've been saying Bugsy to myself the whole time. Okay, alright, let's see how, let's open the toilet first. And so that we can actually see what's going on in here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete all this. Alright, we're gonna flush our toilet. Yeah, nothing happened. Okay. Drain sound. No, that's supposed to be flush sound. Okay. Gonna open our toilet. Gonna get rid of these. Okay, so we got the sound playing. That's pretty good. But the problem is it didn't actually register. WaterStart CF is not a member of the model. And that's because I'm looking in the wrong place, I'm guessing. Yes, it is. Water. Oops, that's a comma. Yep, okay. Let's try now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so I don't know what just happened there. Oh, wait, what? Okay, hold on. I'm a little confused. Wait 4 seconds. That should be... let's do 3 seconds. Okay, so waiting 3 seconds. If it's less than 1, which it is, then do all this. However, if it's greater than 1, interval, so let's say times and start, -1 over 2, which would be 0, and then to 2 seconds, and then a max of 1. Okay, you know what, let's let's see how long this even goes for, if it even goes at all. Okay, so it looks like it... Oh, I'm dumb. I was setting the C-frame perfectly fine, but I forgot to actually set the part to have the correct C-frame. So I was doing the math, but I just wasn't applying it. So maybe now it'll look good. Open our toilet. Alright, let's see what happens here. Okay, it drained. There goes refill. Fantastic. We have refilling toilets. How about that, y'all? Pretty sick. Okay, that was pretty simple actually. So now I just need to get the little stupid particle effects for this thing working. So I'm a little unsure how I'm gonna do that. I guess we'll just have something pop out the back here. Okay. Let's make this thing really small. Okay, when we bring it all the way out, is that enough? That should definitely be enough. But is it properly concealed? Looks like it is. Okay, so we're just gonna bring it out. But the problem is it's on the wrong axis. So gonna move that. And then that's also the wrong axis. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. Okay. Yep, perfect. So 0.1 and then 0.6 maybe. Get rid of this crap. Okay, so that's good. Fine, whatever. Perfect. So I'm just gonna bring this out here for now. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me get a drink. Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a moment just to play a game, I guess, just because I'm feeling a little exhausted. So I wanted to show y'all a game that is pretty old, I think. Oh, it has music? Oh, what in the world? This is Zelda music. This is new, pretty sure. Oh, there we go. Mute the music. Okay. So this is an old game. You can kind of tell by the build style. I think there has been some stuff that's been added though, like these dragon heads. I think are new. Those fire particles up there are super old though. This is one of the older, I guess, cool obbies in my opinion. So you just go around and gather the keys. I guess I'm gonna have some homies with me hanging out. Let's go, everyone. So I can't open this door. I hope everyone got the yellow key. I guess we'll wait for everyone to get the yellow key and then we'll continue. Alright, let's go. Alright. So I guess we unlocked that. That's cool. So we can't do the purple key yet because we don't have that. If I remember correctly, these platforms don't actually have any momentum with them. Oh, Christ. Yep, they don't. You gotta walk with them. That's pretty stank. I didn't want to risk dying there. Okay, so from here I don't remember where the purple key is. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember anything about this game. Other than that, you gotta gather the keys. And that at the top of each of these 4 towers, there's a statue. But you need a dark green key to get there, I guess? And through that door. Interesting. Yeah, see, look at these old fire particles. That's the default fire particle. From like 2008, 2009. Where did I just go? Okay. So I guess we're up here. Come on, squad, let's go. Okay, so this is the dark green key. Sweet. And the user interface for this game is actually pretty crisp for being so old. Okay, so we made it there. And I think that was just the green key. I'm not sure if that was the dark green key. So why don't we... I'm gonna head back and see if this opens that door. Does it open this one? Nope. I guess it opens this one then. Where the heck is the purple key? Did I miss it? Was it back there somewhere? You know what? I feel like we gotta go back. I'm gonna go back anyway and see if there's something down there that I missed. Ooh, sorry. So I could probably go that way, but I'm gonna try to go here. Got my squad with me. It says an hour and 4 minutes for me. I guess I spent a lot of time hanging out here before and not really doing anything. Oh, there's a shop now. That's interesting. Map is pretty cool. Why is this not coming to us? Oh no, does it just not come over here? When you're over here? Oh, I guess they're doing it for us? Cool. Oh, crap. Okay. I know now what I must do. I gotta jump down here. Let me get the music banging again. Okay, so I'm gonna ride this over to this platform here. Whew, that was a close one actually. I'm not sure if anything's even over here. Wow, this teleporting flat platform is pretty bad. There's gotta be something over here. How do I do this? Is there a way to get something over there? Oh, there's something up there. What is up there? I guess we'll keep going this way for now and see what's up. Oh, are you kidding me? I didn't know the clouds would kill you if you just touch them. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna try to go back this way again and just pray that I don't touch these clouds that apparently kill you. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Is there even anything that way? This is an extremely punishing obstacle course. Okay. Alright, come on, baby. I guess he's going up there, so I guess I'll see what's up there. Is there a way we can get up there? No, I guess not. What's out here? Looks like the bricks down there are just for decoration, I guess. There's definitely something over there. It's the golden door. I'm gonna keep going. I have to keep going. Ooh. I'm not sure if I can make this jump though. Oh. God dang it. Looks like they were shouting at me saying Chad down here. Okay, I guess I'll try to follow them and see if they can... No! God dang it. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Not gonna die. I do wish that these platforms had momentum of their own so that they didn't just like... Alright. Okay, come on. Alright, I'm here. I guess I'm supposed to go down there. Alright, fine, I'll trust you. I feel like I should be able to go that way. What is here? To complete this rune, you'll need help from a friend. The double jump awaits. Gonna save. Need help from a friend. So I can't go on that one because that one will just... Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. Ooh, they almost died. How are we supposed to do this? Oh my god, you gotta... You gotta time this properly. Holy crap, okay. Okay, so... We gotta go on this one, and then we just gotta trust somebody to get this one for us. I don't know how he fell off there. Okay, so... So we need to touch this platform when this one here gets to this corner. So I'll be in charge of this one, so y'all go ahead and hop on. Or get ready to hop on, rather. And I'll touch this one at the right point. Nope, that was not the right point. Oh, somehow he made it. Nice job, Doom Guy. So I think, yeah. Okay, perfect, yeah. You gotta touch it when it gets to that corner there. So I guess if y'all want to, you can hop on the other platform. And I'll time this one. Don't do it, Ludwig. Don't do it. Okay. Alright, there you go, guys. Go, 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 jump! Oh no, we lost one. I think I might have to do it like as soon as it reaches that corner. Alright, Doom Guy. I think Doom Guy was actually lagging there. So there's this other platform that we have to work with as well. That I'm not sure exactly how long this takes to get somewhere. Man, okay. I'm just gonna, I don't know. Can I trust y'all to help me get across this? Doom Guy and Ludwig. Okay. I'm putting my faith in you. Remember, you gotta touch this platform and the other one. Here I go. I believe in you. Oh god, they haven't touched it yet. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh no! Why didn't they touch it? Oh Oh no. You have to, that corner over there, the one I'm facing, as soon as the platform reaches there, that's when you touch this one. Oh, wait. Someone's trying to go. Let's help him. Frill is trying to go, so we're gonna help Frill out. I think Frill's lagging a little bit, though. Yep. Oh, wait, there's a bridge? Whoa! Okay, I guess Dim made it? Sweet, okay. Thank you, Dim. What is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, I got a double jump. Oh, I bet you use this to do the, I have a feeling this bridge is gonna shut down. I bet you use this to get to the, that one platform that we were at. Can't do that. Oh man, this is perfect. Double jump. Broken ladder. I want to go back and try to get across that platform since we have double jump now. I'm not sure if I can. But what's this way? No. Okay, I'm gonna stop letting my ADHD kick in. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna read the donation messages in a minute, so just hold on. Sorry for the wait, everybody. Yes, I have a double jump. This is beautiful. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Oh yeah. Got some flowers here? That's interesting. What is this? Is this just a secret area? It's got a light on it, so it's got to be decently updated, this area at least. I guess this is art of the dude that made this. I'm not sure what's... Is there something down the ladder? What exactly is down the ladder? A tunnel of some sort? I guess we weren't supposed to end up here. Rest in peace. Oh wait, someone's about to trigger the platform. Ho ho! I was definitely not supposed to make it here. Okay, I don't even have any keys to anything. Oh crap! Alright, so... How do I even... Okay, I'm gonna go to the red tower here, I guess. These materials didn't used to be here. They used to be all plastic, because that's how old this place was. So... I can't go through there. Not sure why that jail cell is there. Hmm. So I guess there's just a bunch of moving platforms. Let me tell you, I'm stressed out. Ooh, okay, made it. There's something down there. I feel like I should go check it out. What is this place? Oh no, is this another friend jump? I'm a little concerned. can't turn this on. I'm a little confused. So maybe, actually, I'm guessing I don't have to do this one with a friend. So I guess I just have to touch this one first. Someone said, Chad, you look dead inside. I feel dead inside, brother. Okay, so I'm gonna touch this one, and I'm gonna go over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Oh. Oh wait, the bridge? The bridge was turned on for a second. I don't know what happened there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! 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 Okay. Wait, did someone just turn on the bridge for me? Thank you, Captain. Oh, Jesus. I'm not sure what to do here. I'm a little, there's no bridge. I'm a little confused. I think I may have been bamboozled. Oh, wait, you just click on it. You just can't do it with the tool. What is this? I got a shadow? Oh, you warp to it. That's cool. So I guess you can do that in an emergency when you think you're about to die. Let's test it out. That's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. I like that. So I guess I'm gonna save this here. And then in an emergency, oh oops, didn't mean to cuss. Ooh. Ride the green platform to the left to access the lab. What is over here, though? I don't really understand the point of this thing very much because the distance to the cloud down there that kills you is so short. Like your reaction time, there's no way you can even do it unless you're like lightning speed. You're basically Dream. Oh, I have a fantastic idea. What is out here? Oh, it's a save point. That's cool. I guess I was using... Oh, see, look, watch this, watch this. Boom. I'm gonna use this as a little save point. How about that? Do you ever wonder what's out there in the vast endless sea? Not really. It's just more water. Why is this? This is definitely different than... Ooh, red key. If I can just get down there again. Ooh, wait, what? Oh, okay. Lost all my comrades, unfortunately. There was a red door over here somewhere, wasn't there? Oh yeah, there it was. It's up there. Привет. Red key. Ooh. 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 I guess this is a secret area that we have access to now. Oh no, I think my homie died. I don't know if I trust this, but I'm gonna go anyway. Ooh! Ooh! Oh wait, I can probably double jump, can I? Man. Ooh! It's a close one. There's a vent here. How does this work? Oh man, I can't go in. Can't go in this way. Crap. What's out here? Some sort of ruin? I'm not sure if I want to go down there quite yet. I'm in someone's house. I don't think I have this key yet. Can I go down there? Oh. What is the purpose of this door? It just leads out here and you can just go out here anyway. Oh wait, there's the key! Has anyone here played Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess? I think the reason I like this game so much is because it reminds me of the the Sky City from Twilight Princess. So I guess you need the double jump to get through here? A little confused why this vent is here. Okay, so I already got that key. So I guess I'm gonna go down here. Hidden ruins. Oh no, they disappear. Oh, Jesus, this thing is fast. Is there something up there I was supposed to get? Oh wait, what is that? Oh, that's a key. I definitely need to go back for that. How do I get over there though? Oh, okay, I guess you can just jump. Ooh, it's a close one though. Definitely gotta have the double jump for that. Yes! Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so what is through here? I feel like there was something I was supposed to get over here. Oh wait. There's a save thing right over here. Why would they put one here? I'm gonna guess that there's no way I can really get to that platform. Okay, so I don't have that key. It's a bunch of parts all around. Don't think I want to go down there. What's the other way? Okay, so there's a purple door down there. What about this way? This looks promising. Oh wait, is this this is the key that we just got. Yes. All right, Dim and Ludwig. This is gonna be a tough one. Yes. Okay, we made it. Nice backpack, by the way, Ludwig. That's the I guess that's the After the Flash Wasteland Survivor toy backpack. So let's see what's at the top of this tower. $41.6 says Chad looks like a low budget Mr. Beast. Nice. If I had $1 for every time I heard that. Although I need to let you know that I'm actually older than Mr. Beast. So if anything, Mr. Beast is a low budget Chad the Creator. I came first, baby. Okay, so I guess I got the we got the statue. Oh crap, I didn't mean to jump down like that. So I guess we're gonna go across here. I guess that's what we're doing. Pretty sure I've already been here before. Okay, I'm here now, and I already went that way, so I'm gonna go this way this time. Boom, 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 boom. Got some homies behind me. Where to go? If you're not sure where to look for the keys, check out the places on your map marked with X. Those are places you ultimately want to head to. Oh, okay. Very well. Huh, okay, so this is... Don't have the purple key yet, although there could be something else this way. Is there something else this way? No. Feeling lost. Complete this optional platform, blah, blah, blah. And the crystal ball. Oh, okay. Crystal ball. Where do I go for this? Jesus, this is big. Is there a way to cheat using the double jump here? There is. Yes, I think I just skipped the whole thing. Sweet, crystal ball. Oh, okay, cool. So it's just like direct hints. Awesome. Cool, crystal ball. Alright, so we're gonna head south. What is this? What is this? Is there a way you can go miniature? What in the world? Ooh, this is tough. Okay, so I made it to here. Where's the purple key? Is it up there? It is up here. Fantastic. Finally got the purple key. Alright, where do I go from here? Go back to the yellow door at the entrance. Ride the green platform to the wooden deck and enter the purple door. Huh, okay. Wait, what? So I got myself a... Go back to the yellow door at the entrance. Ride the green platform to the wooden deck. Okay. I guess it's this door? Oh. I've never been able to go through here before. Wait. To the wooden deck? And enter the purple door. That's this way. I'll come back for that later, I guess. Okay, what's interesting. Rise. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I thought it was just rising super fast. Ooh, that was a close one. Double jump makes this exceptionally easy. I just saw somebody go in the drink. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, almost didn't make that. Okay, cool. I got another key. Sweet. What do I do now? Crystal ball. Make your way to the green tower's second floor. Enter the door. Special colored... Wait, what? Enter the door. The special colored door. Huh? Oh, Jesus. Make your way to the green tower's second floor. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's over that way, but how do I get there? Do I go through here? Green tower. So the green tower is over there, so I can probably just get there from here. There we go. This... Is there like a triple jump I should be able to use? I'm gonna try to... Ooh, I made it. We lost some good men that day. Oh crap, how do I do this? Man, spawn all the way back here. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop playing for now. Hopefully it saves my progress, but if not, whatever. Okay. Why don't we wrap up this toilet real fast and then we'll go ahead and do our giveaway and then end the stream. Let me check our donation messages real fast though. Sorry that I haven't been reading them for a bit. I don't know, donated 35. It says, user ID BNL, what's your opinion on... Oh wait, I think I already read that one. Tower Defense Simulator 26 said, donated 35, first of all. Thank you, Tower Defense. User ID M60. Can you also check your disco? Note is it. Okay. I'll check after this. Vert Vart donated $75. Holy crap. How did I miss that? Wow, okay. Thank you so much, Vert. That's extremely generous. Really appreciate that. Hey Chad, could I get the Fusil WA12 and M60? And my user ID is this. Thanks in advance and keep up the good work. Thank you, Vert. I appreciate it. You should have your items in the next patch. Breadstick donated 15 Canadian, says Fusil and Warden please. ID is this. Okay, got you covered, Breadstick. Thank you. Alina Winters donated 35 and said ID is this. I want the lurk. Okay, simple enough. Got you covered, Alina. Or maybe that's Elena. Elvarg, welcome back by the way, donated 40. User ID, didn't forget this time. I would like the coil gun and the titanium prosthetics. Okay, got you covered, Elvarg. Thank you for donating. Post Flash Hobo donated 35 and says, "Heyo, it's me again. I've already bought everything from ATF series and I'm starting to collect Loda ones as well. My ID is this, and I'd like the COG crossbow with a side of fries. Make sure they're extra salty." Thanks for the donation, Post Flash. I really appreciate that. Just so you know, the COG crossbow is not quite complete, but you'll have it as soon as it's out. Artist Oblivion donated 35 and says, "Pain, suffering even. I would like the BNL and also a portable nuclear launcher." And then said, "This is my code oops" in another message, so nice job, Oblivion. Thank you so much. Striker donated 40 and says, "Hello, Chad. How's your day? Can I have the patchwork? Patchwork hotshot and the AA12. My user ID is this." Well, thank you so much, Striker, for the donation. I really appreciate that. As for how my day's going, I'm just gonna quote Artist Oblivion on this one. Pain, suffering even. Every single day. Kaida's donated 30. Says, "Hey Chad, can I get the BNL? My user ID is this." Of course you... Yeah. He donated 30. I can give you the Alps. But thank you for donating. I appreciate that. Will S came back with another 35 and says, "Can I get the BNL?" There's the user ID. Okay, got you covered, Will S. Thank you so much. We got Vice Rocky donated 35 and says, "Can I get the BNL? That would be amazing. Roblox ID." And there it is. Thank you so much, Vice Rocky. Much appreciated. Oh, Kaidas donated another $5, so I guess there's that. Got you covered, Kaidas. Crimson Ghost on YT donated 35. It says, "Hey Chad, IDK how the whole donor item works on ATF 7, but hopefully you can tell me how much I need to donate to get all of the in-game donor items." I think that would be a decent chunk of money. I don't actually know how much off the top of my head, but I appreciate that you donated so far, Crimson. So thanks again. Although you didn't give me a user ID or the item that you wanted, so I'm a little confused. Maybe you were just donating. Regardless, I appreciate it. Some random dude donated 50. Holy crap. Thank you, some random. I appreciate that. Welcome back to the stream, by the way. BNL for 35. ID is this for my friend, the Fusilin Warden. There's another ID, my bad. If I'm interrupting the Epic Obby, you were not. Because I didn't read your message for half an hour. I apologize, but thank you for donating. Walter Lassen donated 126 SEK. Is that... What is SEK? Oh, it's Swedish krona. Sweet, okay. Wait, how much is that? Sorry, I'm having trouble here. Swedish Kronar, 126. I want the compound crossbow. My ID is this. Got you covered, Walter. Thank you. Jit Miami donated 15. Says, it's one of your mods, Territory, donating. Can I get the Swamp Hunter crossbow? Of course you can. Welcome to the stream, by the way, Territory. I don't think I've seen you here before. Glory to the Recondites. Glory to the Recondites. Let's see, Bruce Lugs donated 15, says Swamp Hunter crossbow, my user ID is this. Got you covered, thank you. Brants, did I say Bruce? Anyway. Ace donated 25, thank you Ace, and says AA12 user ID, simple enough. Thank you Ace. We're almost to the end here. Static Crocodile donated 25, says glory to the Recondites. Also, I would like the Arbalest, my user ID is this. Gotcha covered, Static. Glory to the Recondites. Ace donated 35. It says user ID M62. Okay, gotcha covered, Ace. Thank you so much for being so generous with your donations. Little Nugget donated 65. I really appreciate that, Nugget. That's extremely generous. So thank you for helping out with the game. Hello Chad, I would like the BNL and the Lurk. My ID is this, and I have 65, but I'll be sending 5 in a bit. Thank you. Okay, and I see that is there now. So thank you so much, Nugget. I really appreciate that. That's very generous. And last we have Hitman donated 35. It says, hey Chad, hope your day is going good. I'd like the BNL. User ID is there. Thank you so much. Y'all are really good with the user IDs these days. At the beginning, we had a bunch of people posting user names, so going pretty good. So thank you guys for donating. I really appreciate that. Okay, let's get a toilet working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this pitch black, and we're gonna make it neon. So it has that sort of hole appearance. We're going to move it up just a smidge. That didn't work? Question mark? A little confused here. Oh, it's invisible. I'm so dumb. There we go. Okay, now I need to make sure that this is all grouped together. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and group this with this one. Now this one's gonna be a little difficult because it's actually the same utility, but it's got 2 different functions to it. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to make this work. We're gonna call this slider, or no, we're gonna call it arm. And then these both need to be called click. However, we're gonna add all the stuff that we need to type. This is gonna be a toilet bidet, I guess. Okay, so let me see here. If you send the message that you clicked something, it does seem to send the thing that you clicked on. Okay. So in that case, we can finally use this. So we're gonna add some attributes here. Mode. I'm gonna call this one. What is this? This is the... what? Oh, this is the white one. Okay, so we're gonna call this one air, and we're gonna call this one water. Okay. So now that we got that figured out, I'm gonna go ahead and one, two. I guess that works. Yeah. Okay. So 0.4. I assume that'll be okay every single time that we do it. Toilet flush and client flush. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna add a new function here. I feel like the door is probably the most similar to this. Actually, hold on. Yeah, a door would be the most similar, I think. So we're gonna duplicate the door and call it client toilet bidet. We're gonna do our giveaway here in just a moment. I'm just trying to get trying to make sure that the toilet works perfectly before we wrap up for the night. Okay. Let's go ahead and open both of these. Okay, so on the server side, we're gonna want to make sure that the close CF is arm.primaryPart.cFrame. No. Arm.primaryPart.cFrame times cFrame.new. I think the drawer is the one I want to look for here. In terms of, I should have used the drawer. -Z, okay. -0.4. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep these open and closed door sounds for now, just because I feel like that's fine. Okay, so we're gonna make it do a okay, how do I do this? Right, it needs to be the click, so local mode equals click get attribute mode. So I need to get rid of all this. If mode, if it's not moving, no, we just need to say if it's ready, then we'll go ahead and put it in the correct state. But for now, so if it's ready, if mode, what modes do we have again? We have air and water, pretty sure. Yeah. If mode equals air, no, let's do water first. If mode equals water, then blah blah blah, else self.object set attribute state moving out water. Wait, let's do, I don't know, 1 second. So we're gonna copy and paste that. And now we're just gonna say out water. We're just gonna make that state last 3 seconds. So, and we're gonna set the state to be moving in water. Gonna wait that time span again, and then we're just gonna say ready. Out water, okay. And then for this, we're just gonna replace water with air in every single case. Okay. So this one's going to be pretty scripted in terms of how it's used. So bidet. Oh, Jesus. Next state. Previous state start CF, goal CF. Sound. Whatever. Let's get rid of that one, I guess. For everyone who just tuned in, yes, I am making a toilet. It's going to be the most interactive toilet you've ever used. Okay, so if state equals moving, what are our states here? Moving out. Yeah, okay, cool. Previous state and next state? I'm so confused. No, don't think I need this anymore. Actually, hold on a minute. So out, whatever. Need to figure this out. Okay, so movement time, current state. I'm gonna go ahead and actually comment this all out so that it's easier for me to figure out what's going on. So self, blah, blah, blah. Start. Okay, so if it's moving out, you know what, let's just say if it's moving, then blah, 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 if string.find out, then we're gonna say local start CF, goal CF equals nil. Start CF equals self.object dot start CF dot value. I'm a little confused. Start. Out CF. In CF. Gonna change some naming things around here. Okay, cool. Okay, so start equals in CF and oh wait a second, what? Oh, I got this backwards. Crap. Okay. And then we gotta rename this, of course. Perfect. Okay, so now we got ncf.value goal cf equals self.object.out cf.value, and then if it's not this, we're gonna reverse it. So perfect. Okay, so now start and goal, interval, movement time, whatever. Okay, so theoretically what should happen now, I'm going to go ahead and save it, is when we click this button, the little arm should just come out and then wait 3 seconds and then go back in. I'm going to do the giveaway in a moment, so just hold on. Actually, there was an error. What's going on here? Sound part is not a valid member of... Sound part. So... arm dot sound part. I'm going to rename this to sound part. Sound part. Self.object.arm.sound part. Okay, let's see if that fixed the problem. Someone's asking why is my character shirtless? Well, I'm doing a test with changing shirts in the game. It's just currently a little broken, so there's some problems. Okay, so let's see what happens when I do this. I'm gonna go ahead and... nope. There's a problem. Primary part. What? Oh, wait a second. Self.object. Oh, okay. Self.object.arm. That's what we wanted. Swear, Sip, why didn't you just make a basic toilet? This is the future, man. I gotta make a bidet. People are gonna be using bidets. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. A bidet. How about that? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we need a little mechanical movement sound, which I don't know. That's not what I wanted. Pish asked, do you plan on adding Face IDs? Sure. Yeah, that sounds like a fun feature to have. Okay, so I need to look around, shop around essentially for a robotic movement sound. Robotic? I don't even know if I can find one of these. Whoa, holy crap, Jax donated $95? Whoa, Jesus, how did I miss that? Hey Chad, could I get the BNL, M60, and AA12? And there's the user ID. Wow, okay. Thank you so much, Jax. I really appreciate that. That's extremely generous. Wow, okay. Yeah, thanks, Jax. You'll have those in the next patch. Ace also donated. Ace and Nexus donated 15. Each of them said, Ace said, user ID, titanium prosthetics, almost forgot to buy. Alright, thank you Ace, much appreciated. And Nexus said titanium prosthetics user ID, simple enough. So thank you Nexus. Yeah, thanks again Jax, that's a very generous donation, I appreciate that a lot. Okay, I need to find like a robotic sound. I don't even know if this exists. Unfortunately, Roblox sounds are mostly music. Jesus. It's almost all music. Maybe I can use the elevator sound. Hold on. Let's see if that would, elevator. Electric door. There we go. That might do the trick. And let's just cut it down, I guess. Why did that not copy? Copy. Okay, what if we make the playback 3? Sure, that works. Fantastic. Move sound. Okay, we got that. Is a computer running? Is that something we could use as like the air sound here? You know what? We could probably use that. Air sound. Air sound. There we go. And then for the water, we'll just use the exact same thing that we had for the sink. So, water sound. Let me go ahead and pull that from the sink module. Sync module. Let's see. Where's that? Oops, opened client sync. We're looking for server sync. Water. That's the knob. There we go. That's what I'm after. Water sound. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is, you know what? Let's make these sounds have a volume of 1 just so you can hear a little better. All this hard work I put into this flippin' toilet. I better hear that people are using this in roleplay. You better be taking your characters to use the bathroom when they need to. Okay, so in that case, I'm gonna get rid of this. Else if, what other states do we have? We have, we have water, and then we have air. Else if self dot, hold on a second. Local state equals. Wait, new state's right here. What am I doing? What? Why am I doing this? New state. else if new state equals air, then else new state equals water, self dot object dot arm dot what is this part called again? Sound part? Sure, why not? Sound part dot water sound play. Oh, you know what? These sounds need to be looped as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and move. Nope, wrong one. All of these need to be looped. Looped, 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 looped. Yeah, I swear I said you didn't announce the stream on Flashstorm. That's okay. It's okay. Do. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play this. We're gonna play this. Air, sound. So self.object.arm dot Okay, so let me make sure this works the way it's supposed to. Okay, so it comes in, it disconnects, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so in order to get this working fully, completely, I'm gonna go ahead and add the splash particle in here. I'm gonna make this invisible for now, just so it's easier to see what's going on exactly. So, not entirely sure what's going on here. Speed 10. Oh, good lord. Let's, I don't know if I can even make this smaller. Can I make this smaller? Ooh, Jesus. Should be okay, right? Lifetime, let's make it 1 maybe? So dumb. Alright, splash particle. And then we're gonna call this one, I'm so glad that we get to sit here today and talk about bidets and how good they are for the environment. Okay, so I don't want these to be affected by gravity at all, essentially. So for these, I'm just gonna have it like be a super short lifespan. And then maybe some more particles. There we go. That looks pretty good, I think. This is so dumb how much effort I'm putting into this freaking toilet. Self.object. Can't wait for people to legitimately sit on this and just like have the bidet experience. Okay. Theoretically, this should work. Let's see if our fancy toilet works. Alright, so let's test our flush function. Beautiful. Now let's test our water. Let's test the air. What do y'all think? We did it. It's the perfect toilet. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? The movement sound. Moving sound. Yep. That's what I forgot to do. Self.object.arm.sound part moving sound play. And then when it disconnects, we're just gonna stop it. The perfect toilet. Okay, so we're sitting on the toilet. We have used the toilet. Now we are going to flush. I'm shirtless during this whole thing. Now we're gonna spray our face, because I think you're supposed to clean your face with the bidet. Oh no, it's spraying through the lid. Moving sound, did that read? Oh. Move. Let's call this move sound. Alright, so we have used the toilet, now we're going to flush it. Okay, now we're going to clean our faces. It's perfect. Honestly, perfect. The only thing I want to change is the actually playback speed. I want that to be 3. Because I think that's what we were setting it to originally. Okay. Alright, so officially, I think the toilet works. It's beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful it is. Let's make the volume a little lower though, because that's kind of loud. Okay, we officially have an extremely overly detailed toilet that I spent multiple hours of my life working on. And why did I do this? Well, like why did I spend this much time working on the toilet? And the answer is I'm clinically insane. Just kidding. The answer is the reason that there's so much plumbing stuff going on here is because part of what I feel like makes the After the Flash games and the Loda games so enjoyable in my opinion is how believable they are in certain regards. So like, you know, when you walk around in After the Flash, you get the impression that it's an actual world that used to exist because there is toilets and sinks and bathrooms. Like, those items are not useful in roleplay. Like, nobody uses those for roleplay except for like maybe a bathtub to store your ammunition or something. But they exist there so that as you're exploring and you're walking around, you come across a bathroom. You're like, oh, okay, so this was an actual world that used to exist, and now it doesn't. All these people are dead. And I feel like it adds to immersion to actually have stuff in the game that you might not necessarily use, but it adds to the immersion to have functionality in these little things that are part of the world. Okay, so now that we got our fancy bidet working, I think we'll just go ahead and do the giveaway. Someone, the amazing Dexter asked, why aren't these props rusty? Well, these are mostly just placeholder props, like just for testing purposes. I'm probably going to change a few of these just because I do want some of these things to be a little more high-tech. Like the bidet is perfect for the high-tech future I'm going for. But the sinks, I get the impression that people won't be using quite as many knob sinks, double knob with hot and cold sinks anymore. Might even be able to just like, hold on. You know what? Let's just have one knob up here on top. Cause you know those showers that just have single knobs that you just like turn and you can twist and bend in certain ways. And all the ways you can bend it is the settings for temperature and intensity and all that stuff. That's what I think kind of future these people would be living in. One where there's not so many settings that could go wrong, but rather mostly just very simple stuff that's easy to use. Just again, so in case anyone's asking, these props are just placeholders for testing purposes. These are not going to be in the game, more than likely. There's going to be more, I don't know, more fitting versions of each of these props in the game. So, yeah, so the reason that you're currently shirtless in the game is because there's a problem with actually getting these shirts to load. You can see here that I'm trying to get that working, but it's just not. I've been testing it out and it just will not work with me. I mean, I could test it out a little more here and just see if there's like a way I can quickly get it working. Let's try to give everyone a... I don't know. Let's make everyone wear an After the Flash t-shirt. An official After the Flash 2015 t-shirt. Nope. Did not work. Okay, so scripted clothing. It refuses to work with me and I don't understand. Okay, so this is the official template ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and Try to test this one. Nope, it didn't work either. See, this is what I'm talking about. It just, no matter what I do, it just doesn't let me load in a shirt. Alright, whatever. I'll be right back. Hold on. We're gonna do the giveaway in just a sec, so relax here, everyone. Hello. We are back. Just kidding. No, we're not. Now we're back. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do our giveaway. So, hold on. Before we do that, Tosis donated 15, says, I love your ATF. Been playing for a long time. Keep it up. I also really want the titanium. My user ID is this. Alright, got you covered, Tosis. Thank you for being a player for a long time. I'm kind of curious what year you started playing, but... Logan Blockstein donated 15 as well. Said titanium prosthetics, user ID. Okay, thank you so much, Logan. I really appreciate that. Alright, for this giveaway, we're gonna do... Oops, that's not the one I wanted. For the giveaway, we're gonna do 5 winners as usual. And let me go ahead and explain the rules. I'm sure most of you already know the rules, but I'm gonna go ahead over them anyway. So the way this works is there are 3 rules. First one is you need to have your user ID ready. What's your user ID? So if you go to your Roblox profile, in the link at the top of your profile page, there's a number somewhere between like 8 to 15 digits long. That's your user ID. Rule number 2, you need to choose an item from the this side of the screen over here, but it has to have a 15 next to it. So if you choose an item with a 15 next to it, you should be good to go. Just keep in mind that the bottom tier, the bottom series rather, is for Loda, and the top 4 are for ATF. And then third rule, you have to respond within 60 seconds, otherwise I'm going to have to give your win to someone else, unfortunately. So if you don't respond within 60 seconds, that's on you. So I'm going to go ahead and start up Nightbot here. So in order to be counted as present for the giveaway. All you really have to do is say something in the chat and you'll be counted as present. Okay. Let's go ahead and start doing the giveaway. So remember, we're going to have 5 winners today. So let's go ahead and start. Winner number 1 is Windibro. That's an interesting name. Windibro. Windibro, you're the winner of the giveaway, so we just need your user ID and one of the items over on that side of the screen that has a 15 next to it. Okay, alright, Windibro has given the ID and said Fusilian Warden. Got you covered, Windibro. Okay. Alright, we're gonna move on to winner number 2. And winner number 2 for today's giveaway is Crimson Ghost on YouTube. I think you donated earlier too, didn't you? Interesting. Congratulations, Crimson. Do. Okay, Crimson has given me the user ID and said that they want the Patchwork Hotshot. Got you covered, Crimson. Alright, moving on to winner number 3. And winner number 3 for today's giveaway is Catabob Gaming. Congratulations, Bob. Or I guess Cat, whichever one you prefer. Alright, Catabob says they need to get to their PC. Do. Catabob has already responded, but they said they need 1 moment. So we're gonna give Catabob just another minute here. Do. Catabob, are you okay? You still there? There's Catabob with the superheated crossbow and the user ID. Alright, got you covered. Thank you so much. And moving on to winner number 4 for today's giveaway, and that is username. Nice name, by the way. Alright, I got usernames, user ID, and they also want the Fusel and Warden. Got you covered. No problem. And we're the final winner for today's giveaway. Winner number 5. Let's see who it is. It is Sussus Among Us. Amogus. Is this person even real? They haven't responded. Why do I keep seeing the same shapes everywhere? Amogus, you have 15 seconds before we have to move on, unfortunately. Okay, unfortunately, Sussus Among Us has not responded, so we're gonna have to move on. We are officially venting away from Sussus. So the real winner number 5 is gonna be Hitman. Congratulations, Hitman. Fusel Warden, and there's the user ID. Alright, congratulations. That was the last winner for today's giveaway. However, what I usually end up doing, or at least sometimes, is a super winner. So what's a super winner? It's basically just another winner, except the super winner can choose any of the items over there. It doesn't have to be a 15, it could be anything. It could be a 25 or a 35. So let's figure out who today's super winner is. And today's super winner is that cat dude. Your profile picture kind of creeps me out, not gonna lie. That cat dude, you are the super winner. Alright, that cat dude says BNL please, but I don't know what your user ID is. That cat dude, still waiting for your user ID. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, there's that cat dude's user ID. Thank you so much. Okay, so that was the super winner. We have all of our winners. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and move into the post. Into the Post Malone. Into the post stream screen here. Here we are. We're at the end of the stream. Everyone who tuned in, everyone whose name is showing up now on the donation screen in the credits, I really appreciate you. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you for being a part of these games and contributing to these games in a very real way. Should have your items in the next patch, but keep an eye out for that. But yeah, thanks again for donating, and everyone who didn't donate, thank you for just tuning in anyway. Hope you had a decent time watching me make my first bidet. Not gonna lie, I had lots of fun doing that, and I can't wait to see everyone spray each other with the bidet. That should be fun. Anyway, that's the end of the stream, everyone. Tune in next time. I'll see you guys later. Mwah.